What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the Dallas area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2022 in the Dallas area.
Next up, we have the results from Dallas, Texas. So, what is the best place to buy a Jamaican patty or the best bakery? And you said the Caribbean Cabana. We asked, where is the best place to buy your groceries? And you said the Afribean, which is I guess a merger of Africa and
Caribbean, right?
The Afribean market. What is the best local Jamaican restaurant? Congrats to Elaine's Kitchen. You are the winners this year. And the best Jamaican slash Caribbean event that folks said they attended this year was the Dallas Reggae Festival 2022.
So congratulations to all the winners in Dallas.